Hi family, I hope you're doing amazing today. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Lindsay. We talk about self and spiritual development over here, manifestation, and if you are interested in my entrepreneurship resources, those are going to be in the description box below, as well as my about section. But I've been working on a little something called a manifestation tracker. If you have been to my channel before, you know that I talk about the importance of scripting a lot, and even more so than that, consistency. And so this is going to be just something really simple that you can do throughout the day, and that's why I like it too. You don't have to plan out this journaling session or anything like that. There's just a few prompts that you can focus on throughout the day that will keep you consistent, because that really is the difference, and where we kind of get stuck, I feel like, a lot of the reasons why our manifestations don't come in, or why we feel like that, is because we kind of lack the patience, and we definitely will tend to lack the consistency and the repetition that it takes in order to change ourselves on the inside so that we can receive a new reality in our dream life, right? So this is really cool. I'm going to link a PDF for it. It's going to be in the description box below as well. And it's just going to be a few key points. And I just wanted to get on here really quick and explain it a bit more and give it a bit more context. And that way it might just clear up any kind of questions that you have about it when you do decide to kind of start journaling throughout the day. And honestly, you can even do it on your notes, on your phone. It really is easy to do no matter what your schedule is, and was kind of my intention when I was creating it. So I just want to go through the bullet points of it. So the first one is going to be your daily intention, and this is where you're going to set your frequency for the day. It's just going to be one sentence, one focus. The next thing that you're going to do is write down your affirmation for the day. And this is important too, because y'all know I also talk about affirmations all the time as well. And affirmations are so important because when we're consistent with them, they really do dissolve old belief systems and then create new ones in its place. And that is really the whole point, is just retraining your reticular activating system to filter in those new beliefs, and affirmations absolutely help with that. So you're just going to pick one, and you can absolutely use the same one every day, or you can use a new one and mix it up. I do both myself. When I'm going through something, I tend to stick to one affirmation. You want to keep it, then you just want to keep it simple. So for example, when I'm going through something, I always revert back to this affirmation that I use that I got from Louise Hayes. She's one of the OGs, one of the experts, and the affirmation is, all is well, everything is working out for my highest good, and from this experience, only good things will come, and I am safe. So that's the one that I use if I'm going through something. If not, if I feel like I'm in a good place, then I will tend to mix it up. And the next one is going to be your visualization prompt. So this is where you're just going to pick one scene and write it down from your dream life as if it's real. And what you really want to focus on here is the feeling of it, right? That is creation. And the next one that you're going to move to is gratitude. Gratitude, I talk about this all the time as well, because you can't attract more if you're not grateful for it now, if that makes sense. And the next one is going to be signs and synchronicities. This one always gives me chills, and it's so important for manifestation and daily self-development, because it is a pattern. There's a pattern to it. It's not just random, right? And the more you pick up on the evidence on a daily basis that you are a manifester, and that everything is working out for you, and it is coming in, and sometimes it's just very subtle on a daily basis, the more you are going to, again, just dissolve all of those old programs, and then your vortex just moves in a bit more easier, which is where all of your big desires are, right? Like all of the big manifestations are. And that's where we tend to get hung up when we notice that those things aren't coming in. So that's why it's really about breaking it down to a day-to-day thing. And you really want to record those signs and synchronicities throughout your daily life also, because your spirit guides and source and everything will give you plenty of evidence throughout the day. It's just that on a daily basis it's more subtle, but it's absolutely mind-blowing when you tune in, right? And then the final one is going to be reflection. So this one, you're just going to do a quick check-in at the end of the day. Just check in with yourself. You want to notice where you felt like you were in alignment and where you felt like you were off. And then that way, again, you can kind of differentiate throughout the day. And this is kind of like mind mapping as well, where you want to separate the points of attraction where you felt like you were in some old belief systems, and then the times where you were able to catch yourself and you felt very conscious and you felt like you were recreating. And the more that we do this, again, the more you can dissolve the old and recreate and be in the new, right? So reflection is really great too. You just want to do a quick check-in. And so again, this is just a really simple manifestation tracker that will just help keep you consistent on a daily basis, because that's really what it's all about, and keep you, I think, also more satisfied in your daily life as well, because we always have that choice, right, between what we focus on. And so just really writing that down and doing it kind of throughout the day, and just these small points, is just going to help you notice the evidence of everything that you are doing that is working, and help you get rid of what isn't serving you anymore. So again, that link it's completely free, by the way, and it's going to be in the description box below. And let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. I'll be back soon with another one. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this resonates for you. And I love you, and I am so grateful for you, and I will see you in the next one.